Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report chart analysis with me, Richard Ferry, market analyst at Handtech Markets on Friday the 25th of July. I'm going to look at euro dollar now, and the euro is just, as I said earlier, if you've just watched the euro yen chart, you'll notice that the euro started to find a bit of support now just in the last couple of days. There's nothing too major significantly yet, but it is early signs. Now on this euro dollar chart I've just highlighted a couple of doji candles that we've just had. Yesterday, you had a move to a new low, and then a rebound on the strong German PMI data, the flash PMI data that we had yesterday morning. It didn't quite hold on to the gains, and then subsequently corrected back and to form a doji pattern. But a second doji in a row just suggests that the market is a little bit uncertain is in terms of the prevailing trend, which has been certainly downwards, you'd argue. And I think the signs are that the fact that this is coming with the RSI around 30, and I think that that just might mean that we could be on the brink of a bit of a technical rally. We're not far off one, in my opinion, possibly yet. But yeah, just wait around. I think the trigger would probably be a move above yesterday's high. 34.84 was yesterday's high. So if we start to push above yesterday's high, I think that that might suggest that we are beginning to now form a bit of a technical rally, because what you saw at the back end of last week is again a few doji candlesticks in a row, but then subsequently it didn't really hold on, and then the reaction was a sharp move lower earlier this week. But as I said, we've had this just slight bit of support, and if you look on euro yen, also you've had a strong reversal pattern as well, so it could be that the euro just beginning to find a bit of support. So an interesting little move there in the intraday chart as well. I've drawn in, zoom out slightly more to see it, a downtrend here over the past couple of weeks that we've now on the we're now threatening to break down. I mean, it had a poke to the upside and then just a slight reversal back in the early European trading, but still, you're now starting to look at a break to the upside, and if, as I said, if we can start to trade above yesterday's high, that would be, I think, a signal that we may be starting to show a bit of signs of a near-term recovery. You've got a lot of overhead resistance, that is certain. You've got overhead resistance that comes in around $1.35, which was the on the daily chart, was that key low from that monetary easing day from the ECB, but also at $1.35.30, and then $1.35.50, $1.35.75. So there is a lot of overhead supply that it still needs to break through, which would suggest that it's likely just to be a near-term bounce before the selling pressure probably becomes a bit too great, and it starts to decline again. But as I said on that euro yen, there is scope possibility for a near-term recovery in this euro chart. It's not by any means certain in terms of recovery, and I think also the fact that you've still got all these all these momentum indicators and moving averages still in bearish sequence declining just shows that there is still bearish intent. However, just bear in mind that if you are chasing this one lower, you have got the possibility now, after a couple of doji candlesticks, RSI towards 30. Again today, some slight support coming in as well. I think that there is possibility of a scope for a technical rally, so just keep that in mind as you trade the euro. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today. You do have the German EFO at 9 o'clock, which is coming out in a couple of minutes actually, so that could be interesting if that comes out better than expected. And also this afternoon, the durable goods as well, so a couple of factors there that could have an impact. But before that happens, I will wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.